First thing we're going to do is get our broccoli rabe ready. We're going to split any of the stems that might be a little thicker than some of the others. And you just start it there, hold it, and just go all the way through. And we'll do that again here with this guy. We're just going to go straight down through him. And then across, like that. And you can do this to any of the pieces that are a little thicker or might have multiple heads of the broccoli rabe. This will help get it tender real quickly. Then what we're going to do, since we're making a pasta dish and we want everything to be bite-sized, is we're going to just chop the broccoli rabe. Just gonna get that together here and give it one more little run through, just to make sure there's no huge pieces. And that is beautiful.